Hello, hello. This is Annie Edwards, a Saladmaster dealer based in Chicago. This is our next Successful on Purpose podcast, and we have a brand new guest. We are recording live from Telford, UK, and we just finished our dealers meeting here for the Rhino division, which covers UK, entire Europe, Middle East, and Africa. So I will let my new guest introduce herself. Go ahead.
Hello, Annie, and hello, everyone who's been watching this podcast. And good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are in the world. So, my name is Jannette Tomamao, and I'm just a new direct dealer from Saladmaster, and based here in the UK. And we opened our dealership in the heart of Birmingham in West Midlands. So I'm part of the Rhino division and particularly Victorious region. So I'm glad to be here, and I'm happy to be interviewed.
Oh, thank you. So I already interviewed a few brand new dealers in Vietnam, and you are another fellow brand new promoted dealer here in the Rhino division in UK. So who was your promoting dealer, and how long you been in the business?
All right, thank you for that. So my promoting dealers are, of course, the legend Jeff and Marge from JMac Healthy Solution based in Bradford. And I came out of the office just this year, recently, so in May, May this year. So we opened our office in May 8th, 2025. And I started Saladmaster on January of 2022.
January of 2022. So what did you do before Saladmaster?
So I work as a support worker or healthcare assistant here in the UK, but by trade, my profession is biomedical scientist.
Medical scientist. So you come from a medical background, so you understand healthy food and science behind the food, healthy eating, yes?
That's right.
So I think it was very natural transition for you. But I know it didn't come easy. The success of becoming a dealer didn't come easy. I know you told me some stories last night at the dinner table, and I'm like super impressed with your achievement and what you achieved in such a short period of time. So what is success for you? What success means to you? Do you feel like you achieved the success you wanted to achieve in your life? And how Saladmaster changed your life?
Thank you so much for that, Annie. Success? Do you think I have already achieved it? I'm barely scratching the surface. We're just starting. Success means if I have already promoted my own dealer, that means that's a measure of success already for me, for our industry, for the industry where we are in, because we find leaders, we develop people, and if we find somebody who is already more successful than we are, then that's my first measure of success.
Mm-hmm. And how Saladmaster changed your life?
How Saladmaster changed my life? Well, in many terms. So first, I would like to talk about the health and wellness journey of my family. We have a lot of challenges as a family with regards to our health, including, my daughter having a type 1 diabetes, and how are we coping with it with the help of Saladmaster. And also my husband, who is my business partner, is also suffering from type 2 diabetes. And there was a point in my life where I'd been, with regards to my blood pressure, it's sporadic, up and down, up and down. So all these things, and I know that healthy home cooking is actually the answer to combat all these things. And financially speaking, of course, financial wise, me as a person, I don't want to be working for somebody else. I'm always looking into an opportunity which I think would give us generational wealth from me, because I grew up from a poor family, from a poor background, but it doesn't mean I'm gonna die poor.
Yes. So you are breaking the generational, habits. You are so you are bringing that new wealth, that's a prosperous life into your now family tree, yeah? And you want your kids to continue that legacy.
That's right.
And I was also going to ask you about, you said you were able to help your family, so it was a direct effect on you because of your health issues in your family. You got interested in the business and started that business, yeah? And during these couple years that you've been doing Saladmaster, I know you've been up and down, yeah? Nothing comes easy in a nice way. So how did you cope when difficult times came in? How did you overcome your struggles? And maybe somebody's watching us who is going through these hard times, don't know what to do. What would you tell them?
Okay, so like what Annie has said, in any point of business or career, we always have ups and downs. But when when I saw the opportunity in front of me, when it was shared to me, I knew from that day that this is something I will do for the rest of my life. On my second week of doing Salad Master, I was still an associate consultant at that time, doing my training presentations with my training manager. I already resigned from my job.
So you were able to quit
I
within
mean, 2 weeks.
after you started.
Exactly, yes. And it's because I see the vision. I see I'm a great risk taker. But what I saw is an opportunity lying in front of me. So when I decided I'm going to go for it, and I said if I'm going to do this, I'm going to be excellent at it. So I made that decision.
You went all in.
I went all in, I made a decision, and I had to determine what goal I would want to achieve in Salad Mass. And of course, the goal is to be a dealer.
Yes.
And I had to know what are the prices I need to pay to get into my goal. And I resolved to pay that price. And that includes all the hardships, all the accidents have been involved, all the ups and downs, and everything in between. And that's what got me here.
Nice. So while it's exciting times, yeah, you're opening your new office. I'm sure you have already your office goals and what you're trying to achieve with your dealership. And what are your your vision for your dealership? Where you think you want to go with this business?
Well, Annie, I left distributorship as the number one in the Rhino division. I became number one in the last quarter of 2022 when I became a distributor, and consistently became the number one in 2023, 2024, and the first quarter of 2025. And I don't want that to break. So I'm going to make a history that I'm leading the number one team, not just in the Rhino division, but in the world. That's our vision. So we are leading the number one team. We are developing people with purpose. We are sharing this opportunity just so we can develop more people who are so passionate of what's in there. You know, health and wellness comes together. So that's what we are.
Thank you very much. I want to wish all the best of luck and all the success. And I know you will be successful dealer, and I'm sure you will be very soon a master dealer, and so on, so on. So we are looking forward to. It's such an honor at the same time, but at the same time it's a big challenge, yeah, that we are called in as a dealer. You know, we were successful in this business. That's why we became dealers, yeah. But to continue that legacy, to continue that success, to continue lead your team, and to continue doing what you're doing at the best levels that you can, that's a challenge, yeah? And that's consistency and the hard work that must go on and continue. So I want to wish you all the best of luck, and your last words to our viewers.
Okay. So thank you so much, Annie, for giving me this opportunity to talk to your audience. Okay, so one piece of advice to everyone: if you have a dream, just don't dream it. Go out and work for it. Determine what you want, and resolve to pay the price to get there. And then you will get what you want. Just dream big, and everything else will follow.
Nice.
Thank you, and have a good evening, good afternoon, or good morning, everyone, wherever you are in the world. And I hope this story will also inspire you and motivate you, just so you can also be successful in your own ways. So thank you so
Doesn't have
much.
to be Salad Master, yeah?
Exactly, it doesn't have to be Salad Master. You just have to love what you do. So, like I had a mentor who once said, find something that you would want to do and get passionate in it and start earning from it. Because if you are doing something that you are passionate about and getting paid doing it, you don't work a single day of your life anymore. So that's it for me.
Thank you very much, and we'll see you again at our next episode. And stay tuned. We have a lot of exciting new guests coming up. So thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, last words. And I would also want to say congratulations to you, Annie, and thank you for doing this to other people. And I wish your dealership a success as well.
Thank you. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.